Well, well, what a wonderful day. Whoa! Did you see that? That was so epic! Wow! Wait a sec. I don't like this smoke. All right, buddy, no time to think. Steal this car and let's try to survive. Hey, Eva, get into the car. Hurry up, babe. Fasten your seatbelt.
Have you ever seen anything like this?
Not really. Look, the water is very close.
We need to get out of here. Now!
I'm doing my best.
Look out!
Ugh. Hey!
Ow.
Are you okay? I didn't break a single bone.
You need to see this.
Oh no, I'm not ready to give up yet.
We need to get to a safe space.
Hold on, I have a plan B. Oh no, plan B is canceled. This is it.
Look out!
Hold on, we'll get out of here, I promise. Let's just try to run away from the waves.
We need to get out of here.
Don't worry, let's just find something to break the glass. Check the drawer. All right, let's give it a try. Not so fast.
Yeah.
What's wrong? Is it stuck?
I guess so.
I have an idea. Give me your headrest. Watch out, I'm gonna hit the window.
To movement, so try not to panic or draw attention to yourself by splashing. That's better. You should try and get towards the shore quietly and quickly. Remember, you can't outswim a shark, so you might need to fight it off. There are signs that indicate that a shark is about to attack. These include circling, sharp turns, and the lowering of the dorsal fin. That attack looks imminent, so it's time to take action. Never play dead. The shark will think you're an easy meal. Always face towards the shark. You'll want to see what it's doing. You may have heard that punching a shark on the nose will stop it. It might work as a last resort, but it'll probably make a shark angrier. Instead, try putting something between you and the shark. That's a good idea. I hope you're feeling brave. Remember, this is just a simulation. Try aiming for the eyes or gills. Hitting these sensitive spots may startle the shark. You did it. Now let's get out of the water. Keep going. You're almost there. Congratulations. You survived a shark attack. This training session is over.
What a wonderful day. Oh no, not again.
Welcome to the virtual reality survival class. A huge meteorite is about to fall into the sea and cause an epic tsunami.
Come on, let's go.
You gotta leave the shore as soon as possible and find a shelter which is at least 30 to 40 meters above the sea level.
Hit the road. There's a mountain nearby.
Evacuation by car is risky because you can get stuck in traffic.
Oh, you're such a pessimist.
If you drive a car, you should slow down smoothly and move through an open area away from high buildings and bridges.
There are too many cars. We're stuck here.
tsunami waves have the capacity to wash you away together with the car.
Oh no! Look! The wave is here! Move! Oh no! Ah! Hurry up!
But you still have a chance to swim away.
Whoa! Can't believe we did it!
Congratulations, you're saved. Thankfully, it's just a simulation and no one got hurt.
Come on, let's get out of here. No! No! It can't be! It's a tsunami! Whoa! Hold on tight! We need to go faster! Whoa! It's catching us! We have to get to the land! Look out! It's too late! Brace yourself! This is going to be a bumpy ride! Keep going! We're back in the city? Oh no. Okay, we need to get off this boat. Whoa, that was crazy. Be careful, it's slippery. Go on that roof. Ah! Oh, you saved me. I thought I was a goner. We can move along that fence. Go! There's no time to waste! Oh no. We need to get onto that building. We're almost there. Get to the top of the tower. Look, there's a helicopter. That's our ticket out of here. We're safe at last. I can't believe it.
Welcome to the virtual helicopter tour. We'll see the most picturesque sights of the city, although this place isn't real, and neither are its citizens.
Oh, wow! What a view! Whoa, it looks like a tsunami is coming!
Oh my cat, you're right. We should get out of here as fast as we can.
Please, tell me that this copter can handle a tsunami?
Don't worry, it's recommended to hide from tsunami waves at a height of at least 130 feet above sea level, and the record height that copters can reach is about 7 miles. Well, at least this city is just a simulation, and no one got hurt.
Hey, where did that fog come from?
It was formed when the wave hit the shore. By the way, the second wave may come soon, and the third one.
Then we should leave. But wait, can't we save those guys on the roof?
Of course. Hey guys, over here! Hurry up!